Alright, we just had some winds come through Gallatin. This is my yard here. We got limbs down. Looks like it brushed up against the gutter there. And we got some more limbs here. So got stuff there. Messed up my flowers, it looks like. We've got a down line right there. It's in the ditch. Look at this tree. We've got down electrical lines. There's a tree. So that's what we got. Look, we got a line down. That's all in the road here. Fuck.
I tried to call him. It was busy. I said, screw it, somebody else will call him.
Good gracious. Yeah, that's what I was just looking at. All up on the car. Man, that's a mess. Alright, this is what we're having to deal with tonight. The power lines you saw that were down. Right now we're living with candlelight. We got no electricity. It's been a few hours now, so here's... Oh, it actually looks very pretty. If it was Christmas time or I was having a sex party, it would be perfect, but that's not what's happening, so... Just us in the dark, and hopefully by morning we'll have power. It doesn't look like we will tonight. Down the road, all they have is a police officer making sure people can't come by, but nobody's working on nothing, so there we go. We'll update you as it goes.